You know what the one thing is that I always recommend that people buy more and more of because it's great? It is PLR. And boy, do I have something really special to tell you about in my review of the Crypto Profit Kit. It's coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm one of the very few people who can pull on successfully. Well, me and my buddy Raymond over here.
Concierge of crime? Man in the hat?
If you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that you can skip ahead. Yeah, my jokes, they get boring. I tell the same jokes all the time. I get it. You know, they're my jokes. I like them. So sue me or don't sue me. But anyway, but seriously, now if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. Review software and info products to make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple. So make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Dude, seriously, Bart, okay, enough of the crap. Nobody wants it. Nobody, not you, not me, nobody. You know, these people are annoyed by you. Really, can we take up a collection to get Bart a new line? Seriously. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, with his work here, if I like your product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos on volume mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. And you know, it's nice to see you again. She wasn't here when I made a video this morning. That crazy guy from the Goldbergs was talking about a billionaire entrepreneur. I mean, you know, I'm flattered, of course, but I'm not a billionaire yet. You know, I have made quite a bit of money, but not quite billionaire yet. You know, I'm maybe I'll get there someday, but not quite yet. But anyway, seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop my videos. Make sure you like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for the Crypto Profit Kit. Now, I know that crypto, some people say, oh, it's not doing so well these days. It doesn't matter. There's still a lot of money to be made from crypto. People are still selling and buying crypto. I still own a lot of cryptocurrency because I do believe in it. I do believe that this is the future. And now is probably the best time to get into crypto because of the fact that the market is trying to bottom out. And now is the time to start getting into it. Obviously, don't take my advice. I'm not giving you any legal or financial advice, but that's my personal feeling. That's why I am in crypto and buying more of it as opposed to getting out of it. Now, basically what you're going to get with this package is a massive package of PLR content. You can sell it, you can give it away, you can use it as bonuses, you can use it to create your own products, which is really, really cool. I'm going to show you the members in just a moment, but before I do want to tell you about my own custom modes because, of course, as always, I have the best custom modes you're ever going to see. So first thing I'm going to give you is the Authority Traffic video course, okay? Plus, I'm going to give you the Bitcoin Breakthrough video course. You're also going to get the Blockchain Secrets video course, the Bitcoin Profit Secrets video course, as well as the Cryptocurrency Secrets video course. And finally, I'm going to give you a course on how to set up Ripple, which is going to generate more cryptocurrency for you. All these things are going to come together with the right to sell them, give them away, use them as a bonus. You do have resale rights with all of this content included completely for free when you pick this up from me. Okay, nobody else is going to do that for you, but I'm going to do that for you. Okay, if you pick up any upgrade valued at least $100, then I'm also going to make you a custom-made video sales letter. Okay, I usually charge $200 for these. You're going to get it at half price for $100 plus, you know, obviously whatever you're going to get in the upgrades. So you're going to be able to get a video sales letter custom made by me for just $100 worth of upgrades to this package. Really an insane package. Let's go and check out the members area real quick over here so you can see what exactly is included. And by the way, make sure that you go ahead and try to exit in order to get $5 off. Basically, you're going to click here. It's going to get it for you for a lousy $5.99. So $6, really an incredible bargain for you. They're going to be able to get it for $5.99. Okay, that is insane. Now, here's the members area. You can see here everything that's going to be included: articles, graphics, videos, products, the site, and a list of offers that you can promote. Okay, and I'm also, by the way, going to give you one other thing. I put together my own list of offers that you can promote in the crypto space And unlike the ones that they're going to give you, they're going to give you a list of offers from Warrior Plus. Now, the reason I don't like to do Warrior Plus stuff is because of the fact that you have to be approved to promote. And if you're new, sometimes it can be difficult. I'm going to give you a list of offers that you can promote on ClickBank, where you don't have to be approved to promote. As long as you have a ClickBank account, you're going to be able to promote these things right away. Also crypto products. So you're going to have that list as well as part of my bonus, along with all the other stuff I already told you about. So let's see if I'm going to go ahead and give a tip on my hats that product created or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yeah, seriously, huge tip of my hat. I do like this thing. I love when you get PLR content, and this is a massive amount. For $6, you really can't go wrong. It's a great deal, guys. You're going to love it.